Hello guys, good afternoon. We are here with my very best friend Bernard at the swimming pool at of this one hotel there of our isolation here at Galle, Sri Lanka. What's the name of this place? Fairway Sunset. Thanks for the good accommodation and the safety accommodation we have here. Through the efforts of our company, an Italian company, and our money agency from Manila, Status Maritime Corporation, through our crewing manager Alan, Sir Alan, and his assistant, Ma'am Ichi and Ma'am Jason. So we are here now, live. Oh, not live. We're just going to record it. Today is December. Today is December. Today is December 13, 2021, Monday, and we're going to have to relax ourselves before going to a work tomorrow. Going to join our vessel MV Ursula here at maybe at the Anchorage area here at Galle, Sri Lanka. Okay, let's swim now. Let's try to swim. Woohoo! Let's try to swim. And shout out to my granddaughter Lian. Woohoo! Yes. All right. Let's go. Woohoo! Nice one. Woohoo!
Fairway Sunset.
Fairway Sunset apartment here at Galle. This is a nice exercise. Swimming, stretching to all muscles of our body parts. Alright, see you. We'll enjoy this swimming.